difficult was it to capture Neil in your camera? Because we've seen you had to convince him a lot for a lot of things.
No, it was. I think it was. No, it was not at all convincing him. I think it was all about. I think he also has a great vision, and we've been talking about this shoot for last 10, 12 days. So we've been on it. I mean, I think I've never worked so hard for 10 days for one campaign ever. So I think I've enjoyed.
I think the most difficult aspect, if you may let me say about this question, is that photo shoot is, I think, way tougher than film shoot, because it's after all that one moment that's being captured for life. Like when anyone asks me about why photography, why am I personally so interested about photography, is because camera is that one gift given to man. It's power given to you. It's like capturing time for rest of your life. And that one moment that you capture and you create has to be a picture perfect moment. That's why we call it a picture perfect moment. That's why the arguments that Love and I had on set today,
No, I wouldn't call it arguments.
if you feel that, it's not him convincing
not an
me.
argument.
Unfortunately, it wasn't him convincing me, it was me convincing him. Because I just had something in mind, and so it's an amalgamation of all creative minds coming together, and so we just wanted to make sure that all the moments are fine. Like the last shot that you saw, it's a very formal suit, but the backdrop is all very, summery and cobble street and with a cycle in your hand. So just to get the quirk element, should we add an accessory? Would a bunch of flowers do? So a story has to be behind every frame as well. So I thought, so what I conceived in my mind, that if I stand there and I pose, then it's just Neil standing now out there and wearing a suit and posing for a picture, as opposed to having a cycle in your hand and having a bunch of flowers. Maybe somebody is waiting for you. Maybe somebody is waiting for you. Maybe there's a story that's going to go beyond just an image out there showcasing, some really good photography. Yeah.
नील जी, जिस तरह से आपकी बैक टू बैक आपकी फिल्में आने वाली हैं,
जी।
हमने हिंदू सरकार को देखा, जिस तरह से लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया, हम माने कि एक लेडी लक का भी एक कमाल है आपकी लाइफ में।
बिल्कुल,
हम ऐसा माने आप?
बिल्कुल। मैं तो पूरा श्रेय अपनी धर्मपत्नी को ही दूंगा, और मैं ये सोचने लगा हूँ कि ये शादी मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं की। है ना, मेरी माँ, मेरे पिताजी बहुत सालों से यही कह रहे थे कि तुम शादी कर लो, देखो लेडी लक इंस्टेंटली आएगी। एक्चुअली एक अगर आपसे किस्सा सुनाऊँ मैं आपको, तो मेरे दादाजी जो थे वो भी बहुत संघर्ष के थ्रू गए थे, बहुत स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, और फिर उनकी लव मैरिज हुई मेरी दादी के साथ, और जैसे ही शादी हुई उनका पहला गाना रिलीज़ हुआ, दिल जलता है तो जलने दे, और उसके बाद मुकेश जी जो लेजेंड बने वो आप सब जानते ही हैं। आज भी अगर हम आप लोगों के सामने हैं तो उनकी बदौलत है, उनकी देन है। तो मगर काफ़ी समय तक मैं जिस किस्म का मैं खुद हूँ, थोड़ा रिबेलियस किस्म का हूँ। अगर आप मुझे दाएं बोले तो मैं बाएं बोलूँ, उस किस्म का हूँ। तो मम्मी और पापा से बहुत लड़ाई होती थी कि अब नहीं, थोड़ा करियर संभलने दो। वो कहते थे नहीं, शायद संभल जाएगा। है ना, बट नहीं, बहुत बहुत प्यारी हैं और बहुत साथ देती हैं, बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। और हाँ जी, एक किस्म का लक फैक्टर ज़रूर है, और मैं खुश हूँ कि शादी के बाद इतना लक लेके आई हैं ताकि मैं सपोर्ट भी कर पाऊँ।
एक मेरी तरफ से एक आखिरी सवाल, जब उन्होंने आपकी फिल्म को देखा, आपके डिफरेंट किरदार को देखा, क्या फीडबैक था उनका, क्या रिएक्शन था?
उन्होंने कहा कि मैं डर गई तुमसे। तो पहला उनका वो था कि रिएक्शन था कि तुम ऐसे तो नहीं हो ना। हाँ? मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं ऐसा रियल लाइफ में तो बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ, वो बस एक किरदार है। तो वो कह रही थी कि नहीं, क्योंकि वो बड़े पर्दे पे देख के मुझे थोड़ा डर लगा कि अगर यही किस्म का गुस्सा और रेज अगर पर्सनल लाइफ में भी है तो हम कैसे हैंडल कर पाए। बट as an actor, I think she'll understand slowly. Yeah.
Okay, you're also doing a film with Prabhas. How excited you are? If you can.
Extremely excited. I think I was one of the first few actors to have signed the film. I signed the film about a year and a half ago when Bahubali had just about released part 1. But I had seen Prabhas's work. I had already done a film down south called Kathi with Murkados. So I knew the market out there. I knew the kind of films, and I know Prabhas and his entire team. UV Creations is amazing. Everyone associated with the film is great. Prabhas himself is a very nice, humble person to work with, and Sujit, the director, is great. His vision is amazing. So I'm really happy that they consider me worthy of being a part of this film. It's not an easy film. It's a very difficult film, considering the fact that we are making it in 3 languages at the same time: Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. And so we have to learn all 3 languages. तो कभी कभी एक लाइन जो तमिल की होती है शायद वो तेलुगु के डायलॉग के टेक में हो जाती है, बट वी काइंड हैंडल दैट सिचुएशन.
Thank you. Thank you, Sun.
थैंक यू.